In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and run a CBot in Ctrader. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple automated strategy, compile it, and get it running on a live chart in just a few minutes. Start by opening Ctrader on your PC. Give the platform a moment to load your workspace so the charts and panels are fully ready. We'll be working inside the Algo section, which is where Ctrader keeps all of your algorithmic trading tools. On the left panel, click CBOTs under the Algo area. Then choose Create New CBOT. A small window will ask for a name. Pick something clear and descriptive so you can find it later, then click OK. Ctrader will open the code editor with a basic template already in place, so you're not starting from a blank page. Now write your strategy rules in the editor. This is where you define how the CBOT enters and exits trades, and how it handles risk using stop loss and take profit. Keep your logic straightforward at first. Clearly define your entry conditions, your exit conditions, and the exact values or calculations for stop loss and take profit. If you're using indicators, make sure you reference them consistently and think through what should happen on each new tick or bar. When your rules are in place, click Build. This compiles the code and checks for errors. If Ctrader reports any, read the messages carefully, fix typos or missing references, and build again until it succeeds. A clean build means your CBOT is ready to attach to a chart. Next, drag your CBOT from the CBOTs list onto a chart. Choose the symbol and time frame that match your strategy, because the CBOT will act based on the data from that specific chart. Once it's attached, confirm that everything looks correct and that you're on the intended instrument before you start. To run your trading system, click the play button, the triangle icon. The CBOT will begin monitoring the market and executing trades according to your rules. Keep an eye on the chart and relevant panels to observe its behavior and ensure it's performing as expected. If you're testing, consider doing this on a demo account first so you can refine your logic safely. When you're ready to stop the CBOT, click the stop button, the square icon. This halts the algorithm. Any positions already open will remain on the chart, so manage them according to your plan. That's it. Open Ctrader, create a CBOT, write your rules, build, attach it to a chart, press play and stop when you're done.